Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to bring to you one more new series of the scrapbook album tutorial. And this time it's an album that I made on order for the baby shower and naming ceremony. Since this album would be holding only 55 photos, I have kept the page layout very simple. So this would be a good tutorial for absolute beginners. And the highlight of this project is the baby crib box that I have made for this album. The baby in the crib is also handmade. In this tutorial series, I will be teaching you how to make the crib and the baby as well. So make sure you watch all the videos of this series. And now let's get started with the walkthrough of this album.